Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. First, go to Google and download the aesthetic pictures of your eye color. You can also download from Pinterest if you have this application. Download 8 aesthetic photos of your eye color. Now, after downloading all photos, open CapCut. Go to New Project and add your 1 photo and 8 aesthetic photos. Now select Format 9:16. Zoom all photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set photos to this time duration. Now tap on first photo. Then tap on keyframe. Now move little bit forward and zoom the photo. Now, the keyframe will be active automatically. Now again move little bit forward and zoom the photo close to eye. Now move again and zoom. Now zoom at the end of the photo. Now check your video. Now select resolution and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.